So the lung 1 is that blue star. Now we put a lung 2, the red star.
Lung 2 is just above lung 1.
Above the clavicle bone.
Yes.
Again, it's a 6 inches from the midline.
So you go laterally.
Yeah, so you can use your 4 fingers twice. Start with the midpoint, 1, 2, and then go just above the clavicle bone. I press that hard. Did you feel okay there?
It's great. You can keep pressing.
So that opens up the lung qi and helping the coughing, asthma. When you're inhale more oxygen, your anxiety level goes down.
You have more energy with oxygen. Oxygen is energy.
Yes. If you press that and deep breathe in, your anxiety level goes down.